The next top rated question is from Ryan. It kind of hits you in the feels. And he says, right now I feel very reactive. How can I be more proactive when so much is changing daily?
Look, we're going to get through this. And the ones that can kind of control and realize we have choice in what we think about each day are the ones that are going to come out the other side a lot better. So what I do every day is I set an intention for the day. And a lot of times, like my intention for the day, it's on my little screen, but I'm pretty sure it says, feel the fear and do it anyway. Fear is fake. And so it's just this little intention that I set every day to just get me through the day and allow me to take action and allow me to have a great mindset for today. And then tomorrow I can deal with tomorrow. Keep yourself grounded each day. Don't worry about what's going to happen tomorrow and the next week and the next month, because there's just too many unknowns. But keep your mindset focused today.